Freedom from poverty.
Okay, my dear students, you have been telling that.
শোষণ থেকে
Yes.
শোষণ থেকে হচ্ছে ইকোনমিকে ফ্রিডম পাওয়া but वो बुझे होगा आया उसको की ना
Okay, now let me discuss. Gaze as past. Freedom from economic exploitation. Freedom from economic exploitation and enjoying leisure and games. Living and growing up of children. Living and growing up of children. Which one of the following is correct? How you could understand? Just number one, freedom from economic exploitation. Of course, this is nearing right. This is nearing right. As Monowara living under the poverty, so of course the UN has responsibility to alleviate her poverty. Number two, enjoying leisure and games. Of course, it is not. That means Monowara's family, Monowara has no basic rights. Food, education, shelter, medicine, clothing, they don't have. So, number two is not correct. Number three, living and growing up of children. Living and growing up of children. Monowara has no children. Question is, in the case of Monowara, which right of the United Nations Charter of Children's Rights is violated? Number two, enjoying leisure and games. The child labor is emphasized here because Monowara has to work. Her mother is also maid servant. So they don't have any lazy time. Always they have to work here and there. Am I right? So number two is right here. Enjoying leisure and games. Clear?
yes sir
Hasin Fuad? Hello, Hasin Fuad. You have stopped your camera and have you been alive or not? I can't understand.
sir I think
Okay. Every human being has the right to enjoy certain facilities since birth. What are these called? Every human being has the right to enjoy certain facilities since birth. From the beginning of the birth, every human being, every human being has the certain right with some certain facilities. They are fundamental rights, children rights, birth rights, or human rights. I have mentioned the answer at the time of reading. Yes?
but right
The human rights, Baba. This is the human rights. Human rights. Every man has the human rights. Just you have to remember what are the objectives of UN. The objectives of UN is given in the text. So the objective of UN, it should uplift the peace and security, then economic condition, then human rights.
কোনটা কারেক্ট
The human rights is the right answer. Human rights. Human rights. Now, very easy question for you. Where were the certain rights of the children declared by United Nations? Where were the certain rights of the children declared by United Nations? Sorry, extremely sorry. When were, in which state, when were the certain rights of the children declared by United Nations? When?
20 November
20 November 1989. Thank you very much. A big thanks from my corner, okay, for your Sahi Jawab. Thank you very much. How many sections are there in the Charter of Children's Rights of the United Nations? How many sections?
Sorry, already answered.
No. Yes? How many?
54.
54. No. How many sections are there in the United Nations Charters of Children's Rights? Thank you very much. At first, I asked this question. 54. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, who is responsible for protecting the children from unjust scolding or beatings? Who is
Government.
government? Thank you very much. I do hope that yesterday I told you to revise and you have revised very well. Thank you very much. In which sector should no one engage children? In which sector should no one engage children?
Child labor.
Let me read out the option.
Labor.
Games and sports, illegal work, creative activities, listening music.
Illegal work.
Thank you very much. A big thanks from my part. Now, which of the following is a fundamental right? Which is fundamental right? Arshi is joining. Right to express opinion, right to food, right to cast vote, right to work.
Right to food.
Right to food. Yes.
Right to food.
Right to food. Thank you very much. Because right to cast vote, this is the right of the citizen. But if we do not cast the vote, we will not die. But if we do not get food, we will die. Because food is the fundamental demand of the human beings. There are five basic fundamental demand, the shelter, education, food, the medicine, this one, clothing. Okay. What type of right is to get health care? What type of right is to get health care?
Right. Medical.
Again, let me read out the question. Try to understand the question at first. What type of right
Fundamental.
is to get health care? What type of right is to get health care? Birthright, direct right, citizen right, or fundamental rights?
Fundamental.
Fundamental rights. Thank you very much. Fundamental right is the basic rights. Basic rights to get health care. Okay. How many rights does every citizen of a country claim from the state? How many? How many rights does every citizen of a country claim from the state? Hasin Fuad, did you show finger? You have shown 2 fingers or 3 fingers or 5 fingers. I can't understand. I can't see. 5 is the right. Thank you very much. Many times I have mentioned here fundamental demands. 5 fundamental demands. Okay. How many rights does every citizen of a country claim or can enjoy or have from the state, from the country? Well, thank you very much. Now, very easy question for you. On whom are the lives of children? On whom are the lives of children dependent in many respects? Let me say elders, friends, classmates, society.
The question number 2.
Question again, let me say thank you very much. On whom are the lives of children dependent in many respects?
Parents.
Thank you very much, parents and elders. Thank you very much, parents and elders.
Parents.
When we born, we are changed, we are undone. Then, if the senior parents do not bring up us when we are child, then actually human being would not reach in this. Which organization has declared certain rights for the children? Which organization has declared certain rights for the children? Can I? Thank you. SARC, ASEAN, OIC, the United Nations Organization. The United Nations Organization has declared certain rights for the children. Okay, Motasin Mamun, today be jolly. Be jolly. Everybody should be jolly. Now listen to me. In which year did the Charter of Children's Rights ratify in the General Assembly of the United Nations?
1989.
1989. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. A big thanks from my corner. It's the right answer.
It's 20th November.
Yes.
20th November.
Okay. So next question. How many sectors are there in the Charter of Children's Rights? How many sectors?
54.
54. Thank you. 3 times I've asked this question. Yes. I have repeated this one 3 times. Which is the age limit? Which is the age limit to be considered as child in our country? Which is the age limit to be considered as child? 18 years. Who told this one? At first, Farhan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear students, Jessina, please keep on your camera. Nafiul, you have given the picture of Messi. Siratul, Baba, several times I have told you to please keeping on camera, be jolly in the class. Please keep jolly yourself. Do not sleep. Farija, Khansa, Sifat Sadia, Jebun Nahar. That means Jahin. Please keep on your camera. Please. Arshad. Muntasir. Please keep on your camera. Sabria, I will make you all absent. If you do not keep on your camera, I will consider you that you are absent in the class. Understand? Do you understand me clearly? Please keep on your camera. Muntasir? Hey, I am. Why you have written son, I am? We know that you are the son. You are not a daughter. You have written son, I am. Please rename it. Please rename it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 18 years is the age limit to be considered as child. So you are the child as you are the under 18. Am I child or adult? I am adult because I am nearing 50. This year I will be 50. Yes. Okay, Baba. Is there any question? Have you got any question? Sada? Okay. Now let me proceed. What is the main cause of child labor in our country? What is the main cause of child labor in our country? Should I say option or without option you will be able to say?
Poverty.
Thank you very much. A great thank to you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your correct answer. Thank you. What do you understand by rights of children? What do you understand by rights of children? Say a single line answer or a phrase of word, a group of words. What do you understand by rights of children? Let me say, should I say the option? Ishan? Right to enjoy leisure. Okay, thank you very much. And another one, right to enjoy leisure. This is the correct answer. But there are another rights. No one should engage children in any illegal works, any difficult works. Another one, children have right to use or enjoy their own identity along with their own and their parents. They have a right. All are the rights of children. Now, who are children? In one sentence. Who are children? Who are children?
Those who are less than 8 years
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Your conception is complete right. Anyone or if anyone is the below or under the age of 18 will be considered as a child. If anyone below the age of 18 will be considered as a child, below or under the age of, or anyone who has not yet been 18 is considered a child. In such a way, write down answer. Okay? But some countries follow their own law and maintain age limit below 18. In our country, 18. Next question, what do you mean by the rights? What do you mean by the rights of human or only right? What is the right actually? What is the right? The name of the chapter is the human rights. What is the right actually?
Can you say the question again?
What do you mean by rights? Only rights. The word rights mean. You know rights mean? In Bangla you may say, what is right means odhikar, odhikar.
Rights are such privileges.
Okay, so every human being has some right to enjoy certain facilities. You have the right, I have the right. Everybody has the right to enjoy some of the certain facilities since birth. These are known as the rights. I have discussed many rights of the citizen. Okay, you have learned the rights of the citizen. Just give me number. These are given. Okay, thank you very much. Now, a very easy question for you. Go to next chapter. It was very easy. Go to the next chapter, 11. Go to next chapter, 11. From 11, from the exercise, what does socialization of children begin from? What does socialization of children? What does socialization of children begin from?
Family.
From the family. Thank you very much. Still now, two student is joining in my class. Oh, who is they? Let me check.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Sorry.
Was Ahmed Farnasin? Okay. Now listen to me. Okay, the answer is family. Of course, family. I mentioned, I told you, I explained that in the class. When I took class, I explained that family is the greatest university in the world. Huh? Your family shows that who are you. I told you that many famous great persons has given their opinion about family. The education starts from the family. One mother is equal to 100 teachers. So I had shown equation that as family is the greatest university, if one mother is equal to 100 teachers, so father is equal to one teacher, the 101 teachers. So at least in a family there is 101 teachers. So family is the greatest organization for socialization of children. Thank you very much. Now, what type of process socialization is? What type of process socialization is? Socialization is a system, environment, but for what? Lifelong. Thank you very much. Socialization is a lifelong process. We have to learn. We have to learn. You have to learn. You are learning, but I am nearing 50. Although still now I have been learning by reading books, by the environment. Even from you, I have been learning. So, learning is such a thing you have to learn. We have to learn from our since our birth, from our birth to the cradle. জন্ম থেকে কবর পর্যন্ত আমাদের শিখতে হয় তো দিস ইজ দ্য সোশ্যালাইজেশন প্রসেস দিস ইজ দ্য সোশ্যালাইজেশন প্রসেস লাইফ লং প্রসেস সোশ্যালাইজেশন ইজ দ্য লাইফ লং প্রসেস ওকে নেক্সট কোশ্চেন হাউ মেনি থিংস ডাজ এ নিউ বর্ন চাইল্ড ফিল how many things does a newborn child or new baby, new net feel? How many things does a newborn child feel?
Two, sir. Two.
Two. Wow, thank you very much. I had forgotten myself. Thank you. Two things. Two things. Yes. Yes? Okay, thank you very much. Now, how does a children become worthy citizen? How does a child become worthy citizen?
Yes, sir.
How does a child become worthy citizen, valuable citizen? Huh?
Association process.
Through socialization.
আপনার কোশ্চেন ক্লিয়ারলি বোঝা যাচ্ছে
How does a child become worthy worthy citizen? Worthy citizen, useful citizen for the country. Okay. A citizen who is more social through the socialization, educated and rich, educated, solvent enough. These are the welfare citizen for the country. Educated and rich citizen are the worthy citizen of our country. VIP, CIP. VIP very important person. CIP commercial important person. Okay. Now, what is the ancient factor of socialization? What is the ancient factor of socialization? Let me say option. family, society. Hey, Tanminur, why you are coming in this class? Tanminur. Hi, sir. I did not get any time to ask the question from chapter 12. So I did not get time. In next class, I will ask you. Okay, if I get time. I did not finish from chapter 11. I thought that I will be able to finish from 3 chapters, but it was out of my conception. So there are few minutes remain for my class. Let me ask the question from chapter 11.
Sir,
Yes.
Romanটাকে
Yes.
রহমানটাকে আসলে যাও তামিনুর রহমান
Tanminur Rahman, class 8. He will go. Okay, now listen to me. Mistakenly, I have admitted him. He will go. Yes.
থেকে ধরাই হলো না 2 মিনিট
Only 2 minutes. So 12 please remain. Just one question let me ask from 12 from this chapter.
থেকে কিছু ধরাইনি
12. Okay, let me ask from one question from 12. From 12. Today I would not like to ask from chapter 12 as you have been telling. So let me ask one question. What is the full form of SARC? What is the full form of SARC? Who can say? Wow, thank you very much. What is the main goal of SARC? What is the main objective or goal of SARC? What is the main goal or objective of SARC? Economic cooperation. Thank you, Sham. Economic cooperation. Thank you, everybody. Economic cooperation. Who can say the full form of EU? EU. European Union. Okay, thank you very much. Which is not a member of ASEAN? Who is not a member of ASEAN? Brunei, Vietnam, Norway. Which is not a member of ASEAN? Brunei, Vietnam, or Norway? Wow, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You have revised seriously. What is the full form of NAM? NAM. Yes? Non-aligned movement. Non-aligned movement. Okay? Anybody comments it, remarked it that it was a dead horse, but now it is a very, very energetic horse. If I get chance, I'll explain to you this one. Okay? Now, finish, over. Thank you very much for today. That's all right.